Hello and welcome to a review of BMW 740 Li high-performance 40 Jahre Edition. Quite a mouthful, but it's a very special car for BMW, and because it celebrates 40 years of a special combination of luxury, driving pleasure, innovation that is the flagship model in the BMW 7. First, debuting in International Automobile Exhibition in 2017 in Frankfurt, this vehicle comes as a reminder of what BMW has achieved. As we are looking at the exterior, we can see that these are two variants which they come in the aesthetics of the exterior, special color called frozen silver or petrol mica, which is in our model. And in the interior, once again, a very special place and individual leather, fine grain merino in color combination smoke white, corimba or smoke white and black. So they harmonize perfectly with the exterior and really complement each other out greatly. It's a very fine leather, really nice, really supple. As we can see also, the door sills have an individual BMW 740 Jahre Edition lighting on them, and the wood panels are even besides the rear of the passenger. What is quite strange is that this vehicle does not have the special exclusive lounge. However, it still has a tablet and inside of the middle console and two screens for the rear passengers. For an individual configuration based on a customer's personal priorities, all options from the special equipment program are of course available. You've got your vanity mirrors, so you can look at yourself while you are chauffeured around. Of course, 4-zone climate control with heated and cooled seats. I cannot turn on these tablets. Once again, a very special place, but these carpets are not the standard, these are just rugged for the showroom purposes. A very nice trim, this wooden, the diamonds around the Bowers & Wilkins system is truly amazing. When I driven the BMW 730D, they sound great. The massage function is available in 3 intensities and 5 different programs. What's amazing is that even the cup where you place your cups or other things in the storage room is also leather wrapped, embossing on the headrests, and of course the cooled seats with lots of stitching, lots of individual touches, making it a perfect place to sit and spend long hours. But you know, you have to pay for it. In this particular case, 183,000 euros, and that's just with a very small 2-liter engine paired with an 8-speed automatic Steptronic transmission. And now I'm using the iDrive, the latest and greatest what the BMW has to offer. They will slightly change it in the X5 as we saw, but I like the dials. If you want to pause the video and read through all the options, of course on the outside we've got the M aerodynamic package to make it look a bit sportier. Is not the fastest, but the pedals are also very nice aluminum. The quality of materials is simply stunning. Once you get inside, you really don't want to get out. it's that great. Cooling, ionization and perfume spraying on this touch control area, which is great because it doesn't bother you when you are driving. You can adjust it, not like during or on the display just, or use the voice command buttons on the steering wheel. Of course, many assist systems, adaptive cruise control and so on, night vision camera. But once again, on these seats, because that's what makes this model special, you've got also the panoramic sunroof for the front passengers as well as the rear, a very nice centrally placed speaker, and the door panels are great as well. The doors are soft touch, of course. So thank you very much for watching this quick review of BMW 740 LE. I hopefully see you next time. Goodbye.